Ready to take your video editing from good to great? Let's dive into 3 advanced techniques that will seriously level up your content. First up, the match cut. Watch this. We transition from a spinning basketball to a revolving globe by matching the motion. We create a seamless, professional-looking jump between 2 totally different scenes. It's a clever way to link your ideas visually. Next, let's talk audio with J-cuts and L-cuts. In a J-cut, the audio from the next scene starts before you see the video. In an L-cut, the audio from the previous scene continues over the new shot. This makes your dialogue and scene transitions feel so much smoother and more natural. Finally, the magic of color grading. Look at this before and after. We're transforming this flat, boring footage into a rich, cinematic image with deep colors and contrast. It's all about setting the mood. Try these out and elevate your edits. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.